नहीं। सो भगवान बोलते हैं कि चैरिटी करो, लेकिन सोच समझ के करो, कौन से मूड में कर रहे हो वो करो। So here we will stop at this point. This is the summary of these questions. 4 questions, last 4 questions. Who is the friend of a traveler? A companion. We all are in a journey. हमारी ये जर्नी क्या है? कभी कभी हम जर्नी स्टार्ट करते हैं तो क्या करते हैं? आपका शुरुआत का स्टेशन क्या है और अंतिम स्टेशन क्या है, ये 2 तो मालूम है ना। अभी प्रभु जी टोरंटो गए थे, आप टोरंटो से आए ना प्रभु जी? हाँ, तो आपका बिगिनिंग का स्टेशन क्या था? थंडर बे, YQT, और एंड स्टेशन क्या था? YYZ, है ना। आपको मालूम है अंत कहाँ है और शुरुआत कहाँ है, तो आप प्लान कर सकते हैं। अगर आपको मालूम ही नहीं है कि मेरी शुरुआत कहाँ है और मेरा अंत कहाँ है, तो फिर कौन सी जर्नी हो गई ये? तो आपने कोई रास्ते में पागल को देखा है घूमते हुए? देखा है किसको? Have you seen a mad guy running on the street? Have you seen ever? He's just running around and you ask him, where are you going? He say, I'm going. But where are you going? He doesn't know. So if I ask you that this is the journey of life, we are all traveling. So what is the beginning and what is the end? What is the beginning? India, and end Canada, probably. But the journey of life is an infinite journey. You know, we are traveling continuously through 84 lakh yoni, 8,400,000 types of species. You know, और हमारा ये जन्म पुनरपि मरण। तो भगवान कहते हैं कि who is the traveler, who is the friend? ये जर्नी में हमारी जो 84 लाख योनि में जो हमारा जर्नी होता है, तो who is our friend in this journey? So constant companion is the Paramatma, because Paramatma is there in the insect also, you know. So there is Atma and there is Paramatma. Who is the friend of a householder? Wife or spouse. So if you are married, your best friend is your wife. For husband and for wife, it is husband. And husband and wife relationship is very, very crucial to progress in the spiritual life. There are 4 ashramas. One is Brahmachari ashram, like people who are studying now, they are called as Brahmachari ashram. Then there is a Gruhastha ashram, then you get married. Then there is a Vanaprastha ashram, some of us will become 50 and 51. 1 बोले तो क्या है? हिंदी में 1 बोले तो फॉरेस्ट होता है ना, इसलिए 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56 ऐसे बोलते हैं ना। एक बार आप 1 में जाते हैं तो आपका वानप्रस्थ आयुष्य शुरू होता है। तो वानप्रस्थ में क्या होता है? अच्छा, मैरिड लाइफ में क्या होता है? मैरिड लाइफ में झगड़े होते हैं वो तो कॉमन है, लेकिन मैरिड लाइफ का पर्पस है हस्बैंड वाइफ प्रोग्रेस टुगेदर फॉर द स्पिरिचुअल ग्रोथ, फॉर द कृष्ण कॉन्शियसनेस, भगवान की तरफ आगे बढ़े। और जब भी आप 1 में जाते हैं वानप्रस्थ में, तो हस्बैंड वाइफ दोनों मिलकर यात्रा पे जाते हैं। पहले के जमाने में, अभी तो भूल जाओ, अभी यूरोप अमेरिका घूमने को जाते हैं, लेकिन husband and wife, they leave their children because now children are grown up, so now they go for the holy places. So that is the, and who is the friend of a sick person is a doctor, and who is the friend of a person who is dying? It is the charity. So अगर कुछ दान किया है, कुछ दक्षिणा किया है, तो ही हमें जीवन में काम में आएगा। तो और आगे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन हैं, और ये क्वेश्चन हम नेक्स्ट पार्ट में करेंगे। वो महाराज युधिष्ठिर और यक्ष के बीच में क्वेश्चन आंसर है, और ऑल दिस क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। We will do it for the next time. Any questions? I will take at this time from what we discussed today. Any questions? No? I hope you understood. Yes, Prabhuji. Yes, go ahead.
आपने कहा कि
हाँ
जो दान के लिए
हाँ
दान योग्य पात्रों में
हाँ
दान करना है।
हाँ
तो जो वो रास्ता में खड़ा होकर जो भिक्षा मांगता
भिक्षा मांगता है,
इसको तो
उसका बिजनेस खराब हो जाएगा।
नहीं, वो जो सिगरेट पीते हैं
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ।
अल्कोहल और जो भी पीते हैं
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
तो थोड़ा उसको जीवन
उसको क्या करें?
हाँ।
So I went to India and I was driving car there and quite a few beggars used to come. So I used to keep some prasad with me always. And the small children usually come in India. Not many beggars come here in Canada. But in India I used to travel and I used to keep always biscuit prasad, biscuit packet rakta tha. And then we give up the whole box of biscuit to them. It is a prasad. So instead of giving the cash, we give them some prasad. Best charity, one of the best charity is distributing the prasad. And that is why I recommend that we should distribute as much as prasad as possible. And that's why we have started this prasad distribution at homeless shelter homes. Ashish ji went and distributed prasad on behalf of the temple. Then we also do it at old age homes, we distribute prasadam. And we encourage everybody to distribute as much prasad as possible. Festival of India, one of the purposes is distribute as much as prasad possible. Now, I know we make mistakes and sometimes it doesn't work out. But our intentions are clear. Our intentions are that we want to distribute as much prasad as possible. So if you are in doubt that what to donate, best is the prasadam. And that's why sponsoring a feast is a very, very important charity actually. So many people get an opportunity to test the prasadam of Krishna consciousness. And I tell students that if you are busy, come just for prasadam. Just come for prasadam. Just don't worry about coming 4 o'clock. If you can't make it. If you can come, that is good. But if you can't make, don't miss the prasadam. This is one of the best charity you can do. The prasadam distribution. There is one program we want to start, Food for Life program. I hope Krishna gives us energy. We want to distribute prasadam to many places, with a mobile van. The idea is that we will have a mobile van and we will distribute prasad anywhere in the city. But there are a lot of resources required, so we're just waiting for it. Yeah, prasadam distribution is very important.
Just one more quick question. When you talk about the everybody should follow the rules when they get married and everything, and that one of the things we're saying the appreciation and all those things. There are 100 rules or whatever it might be. I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay. How come? I hope. The Maharaj who शादी कराते हैं, वो he really guides both.
Yes.
Husband and wife, or who will become husband and wife.
Right.
And that's why or they do not follow, and then that's why at present, if you see, 50% marriages goes in a divorce.
Yes, absolutely. Divorce rates are tremendously high now, actually, even in India.
In India,
even in India.
In North America, it's
no,
a different.
In North America is different, but in India it's going higher and higher every day. Now people are even not getting married and staying together in India. These live-in relationships are common in India now.
Oh.
And the reason is that people don't know what is marriage all about. Marriage is it's a win-win situation where we help each other to progress in Krishna consciousness. But if एक पहिया है वो रथ का है और एक साइकिल का है तो नहीं चलेगा. Husband and wife both have to progress together. अगर एक आगे भाग रहा है पीछे चल रहा है तो नहीं चलेगा. So husband and wife, it is very important that they go synchronously, hand by hand. Husband is very high in the spiritual progress and wife is not progressing, so then there is a divorce. Even I have seen divorce in the people who are following the spiritual path. Because husband is too much inclined to bhakti and wife is not. Or wife is inclined and husband is not. So that does not happen. Husband and wife has to work together to make sure that both understand each other. In any place of life, like in some of the things husband might be good, some of the things wife might be good, they compensate each other. No, we are not here to compete with each other. Basically, what happens in the marriage thing is that that egos are at the high for both of them. So if one of the egos get hurted, nowadays then there's a big clash, and then the gap starts increasing.
देखा जाए तो पहले के ज़माने में there was absolutely no expectations. Nowadays, too much expectations and too much knowledge. That's why there's maybe too much clash. पहले के ज़माने में क्या होता था, पिता और मम्मी ने कान पकड़ के बोल दिया, बैठ जाओ, इसकी शादी कर लो. So there was no divorce rates.
Well,
I'm just
we are
comparing
in
it.
Kali Yuga now, so you see, now we have to adjust as per the time, place, circumstances, right? But even in the previous ages also, like, Krishna was a handpack husband. Rukmini said that go and bring the flower for me. Krishna used to run. Whatever the wives used to say, Krishna used to do that. Because he had utmost respect, affection. Affection is very important in a relationship. If husband and wife don't have affection for each other, the relationship does not last longer. Okay? Affection is different than attraction. Okay? Attraction है कभी-कभी physical attraction रहता है बहुत बार. इसलिए काफी marriage fail होते हैं because most of the time the marriages are based on the external things. It begins with external, but it has to progress towards internal. That's how it is. So
That's a bigger topic.
yeah, no, that's a good question. So we have to make sure we all are together. It may be husband, wife, or it may be father, mother, or it may be mother and child, or mother and daughter. But we have to understand each other, making sure that we understand the demands of the other person, and don't enforce our rulings on them. That's right. So that's what Srila Prabhupada said. Gratitude is most important for the health of a marriage. Right? So we'll take pause here and we'll continue with the next time, and we'll sing the Prasadam prayer. Mahaprasade Govinde Namo Brahmane Vaishnave Svalpa Punyavatar Rajan Vishvaso Navajayati Sharira Vidyaja Jyoti Dayata Hika Jiva Fele Vishay Sagare Taramati Jivati Lobo Mae Sudramati Take Jeta Kadila Sansari Krishna Bado Dayamai Koi Baru Jiva Jai Swaprasad Nadilabhai Sayanamrita Pao Radha Krishna Gurgao Premila Kochitanitai Janimai Janitai. Thank you so much for coming here. We really appreciate it, and please keep on coming. Those who are coming for the first time, anybody coming first time today? We welcome you. What's your name?
Jigna Thakkar.
Jigna. Thank you for coming, Jigna, and we welcome all the other guests who have chosen to be here. I know you had many other choices on this Sunday. Sunday is a weekend day, and in spite of all other choices, you choose to come to the temple. That's amazing. Especially when you are young and you have a time to party and you have a time to go to Applebee and you have time to all other choices, but you choose to come to temple. That's really appreciated. I'm really grateful to all of you, and please join us for the prasadam downstairs. Hare Krishna. Thank you. If you have any questions, we can talk in this quick time. 7:15, we'll meet here for the Aarti, and then we'll disperse after the Aarti. Hare Krishna. Thank you.